So I did this is not a huge deal. I got plenty of Black Friday results just by hitting my email list and posting my social media, but I tried to experiment this time by retargeting Facebook ads, and it looks like it didn't do very much. Um, I'm actually curious. Basically, I set $25 a day, and it only spent like $33 over Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then part of today.
Click
I
on
guess
the
because
hit edit on that. Yeah, just edit because the audience size must have not been that big. Scroll down.
yeah, it's not very
Let's see.
big. So this is anybody who looked at the website in the past 30 days, looked at Instagram or Facebook page in 30 days, excluded people who have logged into the actual bootcamp area. Oh, location United States. I think that's part of the problem too. I would say like US is probably a little less than 50% of my customers.
Really?
Yeah,
Then you
I'm
need to be
very
doing those other
international.
countries.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like you should just choose like worldwide in that case, or whichever countries that you're predominantly in.
Yeah, I didn't think about it for the retargeting stuff. It's pretty split. It's like I need to
That's
do
a
a
lot,
customer analysis and
right?
see. But from website traffic, I mean, US is not the majority. I think like India is the majority, but India does not make up a majority of the customers.
Got it. Okay. It doesn't want to tell us the potential reach, which is strange. Go ahead and click on the teachable. Just go ahead and X that one out in the exclude
Yeah, I gotcha.
because that might be able to populate it for us. No, it didn't. Okay. If it says unavailable, it's almost like it's not even like 1,000 people, which shouldn't be the case because in the last 30 days, page views, you should have at least been able to find like
I mean, it's like 15,000 users
40.
on Google.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it's
So I
because
mean
it's
like
limited to United States.
okay. Yeah, then moving forward, like just make sure to choose the countries that you primarily get sales from.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I need to do a customer analysis. Let's see
And
here.
then just double check the audience size before you go live with it. So like a good rule of thumb is like for retargeting, it should be no more than like $10 per 10,000 people.
Okay.
Because when we looked, it said like you had like 50,000 or like 40 to 50,000 people. And so it would have made sense to do like a 25 daily because if the match rate's just a little
Yeah.
less, that would have been
I think
accurate.
that was
But in this
45.
case,
Yeah, I think it was like 45K for like 90 days. I guess I could do 90-day website visitors.
yeah, so no more than 10. Yeah, perfect. You did it right. That's right. Awesome.
Okay.
All right, let's look at the other step.
Yeah, the email list didn't even deliver. I'm not really sure why, but I don't want to get hung up on this. But like, I just imported my email list from emails, and it did like nothing. Maybe
It
there. I
didn't
mean, but
match.
there are people. Uh, they matched, I believe so.
Hit edit on that one because I just want to make sure like I'm not missing anything here. Yeah, it says unavailable in this case too.
Hmm.
X out on the teachable. Sometimes when you exclude things, it won't tell you the potential reach. Yeah, it's not doing it in this case.
Okay. All right.
All right. Yep.
That's fine. We'll kill that. Okay, so let's look at